Introduce highlight features or overview summary for VEVOR 18-inch wall mount fan oscillating. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: move lots of air. Upgrade high-strength metal pull string is convenient for you to control 3 speeds. Performance is rated at a maximum of 4000 CFM with a reach of around 30 feet. Escape your air-conditioned cave and enjoy the outdoors, even in peak heat. Power in silence, ETL listed. 1500 RPM, 73-watt fully sealed motor with all-metal casing contributes to a farther air movement range at lower noise. Our wall-mounted fan comes with 6 feet power cord for your maximum convenience. Keep flies away during relaxing summer days. Oscillating and tilt function. 18-inch industrial wall fan features an independent motor and provides a 90-degree oscillating function that allows the fan to cover a wide area. It also can be tilted vertically for optimum airflow. Wall mount fan. Rugged metal construction and aluminum blades for easy disassembly and cleaning. As they mount on any solid wall, you can save a lot of space and distribute better the air by mounting them as high as you need. Live it up this summer. Too good for patios, garages, and feed pens. Not only will you enjoy cooling relief from the heat, but your pets and plants will benefit from a cooler outdoor environment. Who knows, your orchid plant might bloom again. How can you still enjoy the outdoors without passing out from heat exhaustion? If you want to make the most of every minute of summer, it might be time to invest in our fan. The strongest wind can reach 4000 CFM, and it can block flies and barbecue smell. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.